Who do you think you are?
Hello? Inside, I'm not worthy for a minute of your time. I really wish it was only me and you. I'm jealous of everybody in the room. Please don't look at me with those eyes. Please don't hint that you're capable of lies. I dread the thought of our very first kiss.
That's bollocks.
I'm probably gonna miss.
Oh my cheese, your mother!
Let's go, don't wait. This night's almost over. Honest, let's make this night last forever. Forever and ever. Let's make this last forever.